All right, guys, so we back with another video. Now, I've been getting an influx of questions on my old ZV-1 videos as well as some of the new ones, but just recently I got this question again, and that was about, the ZV-1 overheating while shooting 4K videos. So today, I want to do a quick video and show you in the settings where you can change that so that I can help some of the new ZV-1 and ZV-1F users, all right? Because I get this question a lot, and I always have to type it out in the comment section where to find it in the settings. So I feel like we can just go ahead and dive into the settings. I can show you where to change it, and that way if somebody asks me in the future, I can point them to this video, all right? Let's do it. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get into this so it won't be too long. So all I did was turn the camera on. I pressed menu to get into the actual settings. Right now I'm in tab 1, and we need to get all the way over here to this little toolbox, all right? So instead of scrolling through each one like this, we'll just do a little shortcut and hit the function button. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll go over to the little toolbox, and right here we're on page 1 of 6, as you can see right there, page 1 of 6. So we'll go right here, press to the right, and we'll be on page 2 of 6 under the little toolbox, all right? We'll scroll down here to auto power temp off. When you first unbox your camera, it will be in standard, and I set mine back to standard just so you guys can see that, all right? But what you want to do is press that, and you want to go right here to high. You're going to get this little message that says the temperature of the device may rise. To prioritize recording time, would you like to change this setting? You will hit OK. All right, it is okay to press OK, okay? So what that's going to do is put your temperature settings to high so your camera can tolerate higher temperatures, but I am here to tell you that your camera will not heat up. I promise you, it probably won't even heat up depending on how long you're shooting, but I shoot 4K. I've been doing this since I've had my camera. I've always had it set to high, and I've never had any issue with my camera overheating, all right? So once you do that, all you do is press the menu button, and you can go back out of the settings, set your camera back up to 4K, 30 or whatever you want to do, and you can resume your 4K recording without having your camera shut down on you, all right? So that's just a real quick video to show you guys how to change the auto power temperature so that you can shut it to high so that your camera can tolerate a little bit more recording on the 4K side, all right? So hopefully this video has been helpful to you in some way, and if you did find it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's been your man Jay, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.